Hello learner, in this lecture, we are discussing an algorithm. What is an algorithm? So, now to define the algorithm. We can say that, an algorithm is a finite set of instructions, that if followed accomplishes a particular task. So, they are telling me that, it is a finite set of instructions, whatever the instructions, I shall be writing in algorithm. They may be in any syntax. Then, the meaning of this term syntax means, grammar, it can follow any type of grammar. It can be different keywords, can be used. So, it is not language specific. So, in plain English, also we can write these instructions. So, an algorithm is a finite set of instructions, that if followed accomplishes a particular task. Also, all algorithms must satisfy the following criteria. So, what are the criteria? First one, input. 0 or more quantities are externally supplied, which means, an algorithm can have 0 input, 1 input, or more than 1 inputs. So, an algorithm can have 0, or more quantities, that are externally supplied. Output. At least, one quantity is produced, that means an algorithm must produce, at least one output. Definiteness. Each instruction is clear, and unambiguous, which means, every instruction whatever has got used, in our algorithm must be unambiguous, the meaning should be crystal clear. So, that's why, it is called each instruction is clear, and unambiguous. Finiteness. If we trace out instructions, of an algorithm, then for all cases, the algorithm terminates, after a finite number of steps, and algorithms cannot go forever. Obviously, after executing the number of instructions, an algorithm will get terminated. So, that is known as the finiteness. That means, if we trace one algorithm, depending upon the logic flow, we can find that, the algorithm is getting terminated, after execution, after tracing of the finite number of instructions. Effectiveness. Every instruction must be very basic, so that it can be carried out, in principle by a person, using only paper and pencil. That means, every instruction must be very basic, the purpose of those instructions must be very clear to us, and that's why, must be very basic. So that, it can be carried out in principle, by a person using only paper and pencil. So, that's how it is telling that, every instruction must be effective. So, input, output, definiteness, finiteness, effectiveness. These are the 5 properties an algorithm should have. So, in this way, we have defined what is an algorithm. Thanks.